We are here outside Fungnam Hotel. That's our hotel na nabook ko. Trukluk. That's the entrance. But before I vlog the inside of the hotel, we're gonna vlog the surroundings. Because we're going to roam around. We arrive at 6 a.m. And now we're going to Sapa Center to explore. May mga rental, no? That's Fungnam Hotel, and these are the surroundings. We are here now at Sapa. It feels like Baguio. As in, super lapit lang yan sa Sun Plaza. Sun Plaza Station. That is the Fancy Pan tour. Look, Josh, Sapa Kitchen Art. Pizza, pasta, steak. Wow. So these are the surroundings here at Fancy Pan Road. And we're gonna explore Sapa. Let's go to my souvenir handicraft. What? Welcome to Sapa Center. Feels like Baguio. And this is the Sapa Station. Yay! You want to explore Sapa Station? We can check the ticket.
It is?
We're here at Sunworld Fancy Pan. We're checking the prices.
Actually, let's look at